I'm reviewing the Velztorm Elite Workstation Crux 2 desktop PC. If you decide you want to pick one up at any time during this video, be sure to check out the links down below. Ever dreamed of a powerhouse workstation that feels more like a high-performance engine than a desktop PC? Let me introduce you to a beast that turns those dreams into digital reality, the Velztorm Elite Workstation Crux 2. This isn't just a machine, it's a creative juggernaut built to crush even the most demanding 3D modeling, CAD, and rendering tasks. Right out of the gate, this system is packing some serious heat with the 4th gen AMD Ryzen Threadripper 5965WX, boasting 24 cores and 48 threads. If you're a SolidWorks or CAD user, or you work with large-scale 3D rendering, simulations, or animation, this processor will laugh in the face of bottlenecks. We're talking speeds up to 4.5 gigahertz with 128 megabytes of cache. That's the kind of power professionals dream about. Now pair that with the NVIDIA Quadro RTX A6000, a 48 gigabyte graphics card that's tailor-made for heavy GPU workloads. Unlike your standard gaming GPUs, this one is built for stability, precision, and insane processing speeds across professional applications like Autodesk, Adobe, and Blender. Real-time ray tracing, ultra-high poly meshes, you name it. This workstation doesn't flinch. Under the hood, you've got 64 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM, giving you seamless multitasking with massive projects. And storage? How does 8 terabyte of blazing fast PCIe SSD sound, plus another 6 terabyte HDD for your archives, libraries, and backups? Whether you're dealing with gigantic CAD files, 8K video footage, or complex render layers, there's room for it all, and then some. Connectivity is future-proof too. Thunderbolt 4 ports, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, and dual 10 Gbps RJ45 Ethernet ports mean you're covered whether you're on a high-speed network, working wirelessly, or pushing large files to external devices at lightning speed. And the aesthetics? Sleek black chassis, RGB lighting, and 360mm AIO liquid cooling keep everything chill, even when your workload is running hot. It's not just functional, it looks like it belongs in a sci-fi movie set. Of course, no product is perfect. One thing to keep in mind, this workstation doesn't come with a display. So if you're upgrading or buying for the first time, you'll need to budget for a high-res monitor to match the insane potential of this desktop. But here's the bottom line. If you're a serious creative professional, engineer, or 3D designer who needs a machine that can keep up with your imagination and never hold you back, the Velztorm Elite Crux 2 isn't just a great option. It's the ultimate upgrade. Want to see the specs for yourself or grab this powerhouse at a killer price? Check out the links below in the description. Thanks for tuning in to today's latest review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Remember to check out the links below for some fantastic deals on the product we discussed today. Your support means a lot to us, and it helps us keep bringing you the best and up-to-date reviews.